So I would describe the Seattle Science Foundation in a couple ways. The first is that I think education obviously is one of the things that we do. But also I think one of the things that gets missed is that we try to create a community. So for me, I've made lots of friends, I've made lots of connections, whether it's industry or colleagues, and it's created a community that I actually still I use a lot. And then I think the last thing, which is probably the most important, is I think it's been the great equalizer. So using technology, so YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, using that as kind of a way to democratize, teaching, education. And what's cool is it's done worldwide. And so now, we have millions of followers and tons of people download all the different videos that are online. And it's great to kind of see that grow. Are we good? Cool. Great. Awesome. Good stuff, Ben. Have a great weekend. Is there anything going on?